Hello everyone, I am Dr. Amaresh Biradar. I am a board certified plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Karnataka, Kalaburagi. So many of the patients, they come to us especially above the 40-50 years of the age with an enlarged ear lobule hole. The enlargement becomes basically because of the aging, most common, but there can be other problems as well. If the ear hole enlarges, we commonly do something called as Pardue technique, where we create a very small skin flap from the cut edges, and we suture the flap to the inside of the hole, and we repair the rest of the hole. The suturing is done with sutures thinner than the hair. Office procedure, after doing immediately you can go back. We put a stud immediately. The studs are gold plated, sterilized. We import it from US, and once the surgery is done, immediately you can start your all activities. There will be a small dressing for 2 days. After that you can leave it open. You can attend weddings, you can attend engagement ceremonies, birthday parties, everything you can do. 7th day we take out the sutures, and after 10th day you can go for a gold stud. If you want to wear a heavy earring, or if you want to wear the bigger earrings, you can do so after 6 weeks, that too only for 5 to 6 hours for any special occasions. Rest of the times what we personally recommend is to wear only the studs. To know more about this procedure, you can call on our office number 907 111 7444. Thank you.